niyo ba? Baka hindi niyo marinig isa.
Oo, dinig namin, ala.
Ay, baba. Uy, gagi. Diba? Same yung profile, guys.
Spender talaga ako na Ella. Huwag kayong malito, guys.
I could stare like watching stars. Oh, gusto ko. I would walk by and tell without a thought.
Excited na nga si Ella eh.
If I took your hand tonight, now you're all that I want this life. I didn't know this life. And imagine we fell in love. I'm up on the moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us in the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with you. So will you be forever with me? Thank you, Kuya Will. My love will always stand by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I trust the universe will always bring me to you. I imagine we fall in love. I'm up in the moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? Will you be forever with me? Will you be forever with me? Tapos na!
Ella, alam mo yung kanta ng
Oh.
Bini, yung ano, wag muna tayong umuwi. Memorize mo yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay? Oo, yun.
Yun lang yung alam ko.
Ay?
Yun lang yung alam ko.
Siguro naman yung salamin alam mo.
Sa Tagalog, ito ba? Ano ba yung sa Tagalog?
Tagalog na nga yun eh.
Tagalog. Wow! Alam mo yun, kasi ako mahilig sa